I got your ass now, Mr. Quack Quack McGirt. You see, boy, now hold on now. Tiger stripes. Whoa, what the hell? What kind of Kellogg cornflake treachery is going on out here? What kind of frosted flammery just took place, man? I need to sit here and reflect.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Stock List. Today is Sunday, August the 13th, and in today's video, I have two plays for you to put on stock this coming week. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 0.30% at 35,281, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they fell 0.68% at 13,644, the Nas. Apple, bucking the trend. Apple closed up a measly 0.03%. Apple is currently trading at $177.79. Apple. The big winner on Friday, AMRS. The stock closed up 109% at 13 cents. Higher day, 19 cents, okay? Big moves for AMRS. The company filed bankruptcy protection on Thursday, and on that it fell 90%. The company came out saying they'll be coming back stronger than ever before, okay? And on that, the stock spiked over 100% on Friday. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play, VCIG. The stock closed up 23% on Friday, closing at $3.32. The higher day on Friday, $3.55. This one is sneaking up under the radar. There's no news out. This one has spikeability. For example, on May 1st, the stock went from $2.10 all the way to $24.20. Let me say that again. $2.10 to $24.20. That's over 1,000% move. The volume that day was 3 million. Also on May 8th, the stock went from $3.60 all the way to $6.52. And the volume that day was 4.7 million. Let's continue. Also on May 10th, the stock went from $3.14 all the way to $5.86. And lastly, on June 16th, the stock went from $2.33 all the way to $11.32. The volume that day was a whopping 118 million. Okay? On June 30th, the stock paid a dividend. Let's kick the tires. This one is in the consulting services space, headquarters out of Malaysia. They were a market cap of 122 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 2 million, okay? 79% of the float are held by insiders, no institutions, and shorts as 1.59% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 61%. Let me say that again. Their profit margin is 61%. This is VCIG. Their operating margin is a positive 36%. Their ROA, return on assets, is 19%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 93%. Let me say that again. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 93%. ROA and ROE are monies the companies are making on their money, their investments, okay? Let's continue. They have 36 million in revenues. 36 million in revenues. This is VCIG. Their revenue per share is 1.03. Their gross profit is 18 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 13 million. Net income is 22 million. They have a total cash of 3 million in hand and a total debt of 2 million. Current ratio is sitting at 1.49 VCIG. Let's move on to stock number 2. This one is a BP play. The acronym is Bounce Play. YTEN. YTEN closed down 55% on Friday at 45 cents. The low on the day, 38 cents. That's a new 52-week low. 38 cents. This one is in the basic material space and their headquarters out of Massachusetts. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 3 million. They have to move this up to 5 million. The minimum is 5 million to be compliant with the NASDAQ. Their 200-day moving average is $2.58. This is YTEN. They have 4 million in the float. 18% of the float are held by insiders. 8% of the float are held by institution and shorts as 1% of the float. They have a total revenue of 361K. They have a total cash of 2 million and a total debt of 2.5 million. Their current ratio is sitting about par. Their current ratio is sitting at 1.08. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at @WPT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, make your next trade your best trade. Happy birthday, Jamaica.
Got a lot of money, invest it in a Dave play. Every day, you want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas, rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going. But here, you know, I find myself with that money. And instead, I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you, go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man, wanna do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.